Hello friends, I am with another topic, integration. I have divided this integration in terms of episodes and this is episode 1. In every episode, I am going to solve ample of problems and I am going to solve the problems from various textbooks and from various question papers so that I will touch all important problems for you and these solutions certainly going to help you in the upcoming examinations. Before starting this episode, I would like to request you that not only just watch the video, not only just listen the solutions, but do the solutions along with me for better understanding. Because mathematics is not a listening subject. Mathematics is the doing subject, is the thinking subject. Unless and until you do with your hands, unless and until you put your brain, you cannot learn mathematics. Whatever the solutions are there, those are my brains, my solution, my logic. But to get that logic in yourself, you have to do the solutions along with me. Then only you will get perfection in integration. Today, I am going to with episode 1, and in this episode 1, I am going to give you all basic knowledge. And consequently, in episode 2, 3, 4, I will strengthen the subject. I will solve more and more difficult problems for you. I hope you will enjoy these episodes and our journey together will be unforgettable and enjoyable. So let's start with episode 1. We have the first question. What is integration? Isaac Newton and the Leibniz, they gave the principles, they gave the formulation of principles of integration, and later on the Riemann gave the mathematical definition of integration. Now we will understand what exactly the integration is and where to use the integration. First of all, what is integration? You see, whenever you study the mathematics, what you do? You draw the graphs. Suppose I draw the graph and this is the y equals to f of x. That is, x-axis here and y-axis here. Now, when you got the graph here suppose x equals to a and this is the x equals to b. So, we say the graph is drawn from x equals to a to x equals to b. And if you wish to find out the area below the curve, then what you do? You do the integration. That means when to do integration, you want to find the total area under the curve. So that is, area under the curve is nothing but integration a to b f of x dx. That means to find out area below the curve, you can find out integration. You can use the integration. And it is starting from a and ending up to the b. So these are the limits of integration. And it is a function of x. And here we write the dx. When we write the dx, we call it as a with respect to x. So we don't read like this. Integration a to b f of x dx. We don't read like this. How to read that? Integration of f of x with respect to x. Integration of f of x with respect to x. This way we read out. So integration nothing but to find the area. It is a mathematics to find the area. I am not going in all those bookish definition. I want to just tell you practically what exactly the integration. So integration is a mathematics to find total of something. You got the total of given function, and whenever we got the function, we can draw the graphs. And when you draw the graph, you plot from where to where. If on x-axis x equals to a, on y-axis on x-axis x equals to b. Similarly, if you want to find the area left side, that is a y equals to a to y equals to b, this also you can find out. Okay, so you can find out both the ways. Only here nothing but here y equals to a and y equals to b. Here is a f of y dy. Like this the function will come. So both way you can find out the area, either left side of the given graph or below the graph. So integration is a mathematics to find the total. Short and sweet, it is a mathematics to find total. So now there are the various types of integration are there. What are the different types of integration? Let us see now. So shortly we understood what is integration. Integration nothing but addition. It is accumulation, gathering together, adding two or more things, adding any number of things, not two or more things. You can add thousands of the things whenever the function is given. And now what are the types of integration? You see, these are the limits. I said you a is a lower limit, you remove it, and b is upper limit, you remove it. Now it is a integration without limit. So the integration without limit is nothing but called indefinite integration. Is an indefinite integration because the limits are not there. And when you use the limits, like this, here the limit a to b f of x dx, it is called definite integration. So here are the integration two types. One is the definite integration, another is the indefinite integration. Again, they are classified further, but in double integration, triple integration, and so many different types of integrations are there. We are not going into that field. We are just going to talk about what is integration and what are the types. So integration is nothing but it is a mathematics. When you want to add something below the curve, a curve is given and you want to add from lower limit to upper limit, then you use integration. And integration are two types. One is an indefinite integration, another is a definite integration. Indefinite integration, we don't have limits, and in the definite integration, we have the limits. If you are thinking that your integration must be strong enough, for that your derivative must be strong enough. Therefore, before doing integration, you be sure that your derivative is very strong. Unless and until your derivative is strong, you can't have the strong integration. You can't have the mastery over integration if you don't have the mastery over the derivatives. And if you think that who will teach you derivatives, now it is too late. So don't think like that. Go through my videos on derivatives. Even I develop the videos on derivatives in form of episode 1, 2, 3, 4. So go through them, learn the derivatives, then come back to this episode of integration. So this is what my humble suggestion. Here, whenever we do integration, like integration of phi of x dx equals to f of x plus c. So the result of integration, we add plus c to the result of integration. Why do so that we assume that the result of integration is not 100% correct. There is a little error is there. To cover that error, to make it perfect answer, we write plus c. Now whenever we do the integration, we have the various methods are there. So many methods are there, and every function has the different solution. Like there are the substitution method is there, product rule is there, and partial fraction having the different methods, and algebraic functions. Okay, so various functions have some different method to solve the integration. But integration, once you remember the formula, what you call is a formula, so the integration becomes easy. So make a chart, have the paper, and otherwise go to online somewhere, you will getting the sheet of formula. So you print out and keep those formulae with you. Don't learn them. Learning will not help you. So keep that chart with you and just Keep on reading every time, every 1 hour, 2 hours that sheet, and within the 1 week you will get all the formulae. And when you are doing the practice here, so some formula automatically will come to you. So this is what all the in this episode. In the next episode, I am going to start with basic of all integration. So keep on watching, and if you like my presentation, if you want to develop your skills in mathematics, then you subscribe the channel, and meet you again with another video with basic of integration. Till then, wish you good luck, all the best.